extract that I found and that I like very much that comes from the Great Imagining newspaper in 2023 by Rupert Reed. He says that adaptation requires an honest confrontation with the most inconvenient of truths, but that is preferable to the alternative, a half-hearted focus on mitigation that leaves us unprepared to live in a future of ecological carnage. So this really emphasizes on the fact that concentrating only on mitigation and lowering our carbon footprint is not going to be enough, that climate change is already there, that the consequences are there, and that we need to adapt now, and we need to think about how we are going to adapt in the future. How are we going to adapt to increasing temperatures, to more and more extreme weather events, to all those consequences? And this is very important to do it as soon as possible and in a very systemic way.